Hey everyone, we have a TL Type S caliper kit finished up today. These are spec'd for a Honda S2000 fitment. This customer also wanted the rear calipers to match, of course, because he got the fronts powder coated. So if you only buy our caliper kit, if you're very particular and want the rears to match, we do offer rear caliper rebuilding and powder coating. In this instance, he went with brand new remanufactured calipers for the rear. So these were taken apart and powder coated. The color is Peeka Blue. Really nice color here. They look a little bit darker than in person in the video, but yeah, this is a really popular color that we do quite a lot. So if you are looking to get a 4-piston caliper, front caliper upgrade for your Honda or Acura, check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. Our TLS caliper kit is 100% bolt-on to your vehicle. There are some additional components that you need to purchase, the rotors and pads from a TL Type S. All the information is on our website at VisionAutoworks.com. Just look up the caliper kit and you'll find all the relevant info you need. All brand new hardware is included if you purchase the calipers from us. We also do offer our modification service only. If you wish to send in your own calipers, we can do that as well to your provided calipers. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. You can contact us through the website. Our contact information is also there. Thanks.